Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with another Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. We have got 18 rebates to discuss that I did over 3 trips to Walmart. Got some great deals, guys, and I've got to share it with my lovely people. Now, before we get started, lovely people, we must do a few shout outs. Yes, we would like to shout out Kamika because Kamika used my referral code for Shopkick, and I appreciate you so very much. The next person we need to shout out is Isla. Isla decided to sign up with Ibotta, used my referral code, and I thank you so very much. And the last person is Heidi. Heidi decided to use my Ibotta referral code. And I thank you guys so very much because now you're taking your couponing to a whole nother level. Let's get it. Let's jump into this haul. First rebate I decided to do was on the Annie's Cheddar Bunnies. All right, these little cheese cracker bunnies. $3.82 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $3.82 in store. There is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.32 for the cheddar bunnies. Yeah, these were actually over where the crackers and cookies were. Now, the Oritos, maybe saying that right, maybe saying it wrong. Who knows? These were priced 60 cents, guys. For this rebate, you must purchase 5, okay? So I purchased 5 for a total of $3 in store is what I had to pay because I didn't have a coupon. So there is a $1 Ibotta rebate for purchasing the 5, making the final cost $2 for the 5, all right? So you must purchase 5, and I purchased all 5, all mandarin flavor. If you've ever tried these drinks before, let me know in the comments below. These were not on the soda aisle. They were over actually near the crackers, but on like a separate little section, okay? And they did have another flavor, but I just decided to get the mandarin, okay? Next rebate I did was this. I finally found this item. I can never seem to find it. The Coca-Cola coffee. It was priced $1.88 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.88 in store. After the Ibotta rebate, it's absolutely free. The rebate is giving you back $1.88. This was actually in the little coolers at the register area. That's where I found this product. Next rebate, guys, was on the C4 Energy. It was actually $2.28 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $2.28 in store. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.28 for the C4. Now, this energy drink was actually on the soda aisle with the sodas, okay? Then there was a section on down with energy drinks. That's where this one was. Next rebate, guys, was on the Raisinets. Raisinets are for my husband. I don't like raisins. Okay, Raisinets are 98 cents, guys. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay 98 cents in store. But there is a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost 73 cents for the Raisinets. And these were on the candy aisle, the aisle with all the big bags of candy, like with the boxes of, like, I call it theater candy because this kind of reminds me of theater candy, okay? That's where they were. Now, the next rebate I did was my Snickers, of course. I did this over the 3 trips. So I did it and it reset and then I did it again. Okay? These were priced 88 cents in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay 88 cents in store both times for them. They both of the rebates reset at 25 cents for the Snickers, making the final cost 63 cents each for the Snickers. And of course, the Snickers were up at the register. Okay? Next rebate I decided to get. Ooh, la la. Love these. The Fannie Mae s'mores. Now, I cannot find these at every Walmart, guys. I'll tell you where I found them. They were on the candy aisle, same aisle where the Raisinets were, okay? Now, these were $3.98 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.98 for each bag. There is a $2 Ibotta dropping the cost to $1.98. It's worth it, okay? They are so good, guys. Next rebate, guys, I did was on the Degree, okay? I did the Degree deodorant for the men and the Degree deodorant for the women. Okay. And let's get into the pricing. They were both $4.97 each. I had $2 coupons out of the Unilever insert that I used for each one, dropping the cost in store to $2.97, guys. Now, the great thing about it is there is $1.25 Ibotta rebates coming back for the men's and for the women's. Okay, that dropped the cost even lower to $1.72 each, but there is a shop kick coming back. Okay, it's a shop kick rebate. You're going to get some kicks for scanning in store, you're going to get some kicks for buying them individually, and you're going to get some bonus kicks for buying them together. Okay, which comes out to be an amazing deal because there is the equivalent of 900 kicks, which is $3.60 coming back for purchasing the two. Okay, and that is going to make these be absolutely free. Okay, because after the Ibotta rebate, they were $3.44 for the two. You're going to get back $3.60 from Shopkick, making it be absolutely free and a 16-cent moneymaker. I think that is a great deal, guys. Next rebates I did was on the men's Dove and the lady Dove. All right, now the price for these, they were $6.18 each, guys. I used $2 coupons for each one, dropping the cost in store to $4.18 in my Walmart. Okay, there is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate for the lady Dove, and then there is a $1.25 Ibotta rebate for the men's Dove. Okay, dropping the cost to $2.93. Okay, I don't think that's too bad. Now, of course, because I purchased this all on the same receipt, it's not going to give me the Shopkick credit for these as well. It only did it, for one or the other. All right, so, I don't care because it's Ibotta money. I just wanted to do all my stuff in one swoop, okay? But it probably would have been a better idea to do this deal, in a separate transaction or a separate time. So you have a separate receipt, let it reset, and then do it again. But it's okay. I'm cool with that. This rebate I did, guys, was on the Simple wipes. All right, these were priced $4.46 in my Walmart. The reason why I purchased two is because I had a buy one and get one free Simple coupon that came out that Unilever, so that made the cost be only $4.46 in store is what I had to pay. Then I got back $1 Ibotta rebates for each one, giving me back $2, making the final cost $2.46 for the two. Great deal. Next rebate I did was on the St. Ives. The St. Ives apricot scrub. I like to use these for my feet. When you do your feet, do a pedicure to your feet. These were priced $4.44 in my Walmart. I did have that $1.25 coupon out the Unilever insert. Made my cost in store be $3.19. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, guys, making the final cost $2.19. I think that's pretty good deal. Next rebate, guys, I did on the Nivea lotion. The Nivea lotion was priced $5.48 in my Walmart. Did have a coupon. I had a $2 coupon out the 3-7 Smart Source, dropping my cost in store to $3.48. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.48 for the Nivea lotion. Yes. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the Renews It oil starter kit. I love to get these little things. They were $2.97 in my Walmart. I used a $1 insert coupon, dropping my cost in store to $1.97. Then there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 97 cents for the Renews It starter kit. It's a great deal. Lovely people. Next deal I got was not an Ibotta rebate deal, but it was a good deal nonetheless. Okay, on the Harry's deodorant. Let's turn it around so you can see it. The Harry's deodorant. Now, there is actually 3 rebates on Shopkick for this deodorant. Okay, so make sure you're paying attention. Okay, guys, these were priced $4.97 each for a total of $9.94. There is a $5 coupons.com coupon on the coupons.com website. Hopefully it's still there. Hopefully you guys printed a high value coupon. Made my cost in store be $4.94 for the two. Then I scanned them in the store to get kicks for scanning in store and kicks coming back for uploading the receipt, which is giving me back $1.26 for each one. That is a great deal, making the final cost $2.42 or $1.21 each for the Harry's deodorant. I think that is a great deal. Next rebate, guys, was on the Degree soap. Okay, the Degree bar soap was priced $4.97 in my Walmart. I didn't have any coupons because when they were on coupons.com, I didn't print them. Didn't know they were there. So I had to pay $4.97 in store, but that's okay, because there is $1.50 coming back from Ibotta, plus there is $1.50 coming back from coupons.com for uploading my receipt, and 88 cents from Shopkick. Okay, that's a great deal, making the final cost only $1.09 for the Degree bar soap. That's a good deal, guys. Yeah. Now, let's get into the numbers. Ooh, 3 trips, guys. Quite pricey. $80.70. Yes. And you know what? This is the crazy thing. This is the reason why you got to be on your coupon game. At each one of these trips, I had a $5 Shopkick gift card I was supposed to use, but I was thrown off at every single trip, guys. I'm telling you. You got to coupon when your mind is in it. You can't coupon when your mind ain't in the game. I'm just saying. It's okay. I'll use my Shopkick gift card another time. But I was mentally just not there, just trying to get in and get out and just like, ugh, okay. All right. So coupons, I had $21.71 in coupons over these 3 trips, dropping the cost to $58.99, guys. Then let's talk about what I got back from Ibotta. I got back $22.83 in Ibotta rebates, dropping the cost to $36.16. But I did also get a bonus. I got my $3 midweek money maker. I needed it, okay, for doing 15 rebates. And I got back $7 from Shopkick. And I got back $1.50 from coupons.com, guys, dropping my cost to $24.66 for 25 items, 98 cents per item. I think that is amazing. It's amazing, guys, because I got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff. And it was Ibotta money anyway. I mean, this is the best way for you to utilize Ibotta, guys, is rolling that Ibotta money, okay? That is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure that you go in the description box, get your Google documents so you can have it when you go into the store. Screenshot it in case you don't have a signal when you get inside your Walmart, okay? Make sure you got your coupons together and you'll be good to go because you're taking your coupon to a whole nother level, right? Yeah, that's right. Let me know in the comments below of the video, guys, where you are with your Ibotta shopping. If you found some deals that I did not discuss in this video, drop it for the coupon crew below because we want to know. And if you have not already joined the coupon crew, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you can join the team. Be a lovely person and join the coupon crew. All right. Y'all can tell when I am tired because I get real silly. I'm normally silly, but I get a next level silly when I'm sleeping. Who else does that? That's it. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. I need to do a blooper video, guys, because y'all would not believe how many times I mess up in these Ibotta rebate hauls. I get the hiccups. I get the giggles. I start getting tongue-tied. See, now I get the freaking hiccups from laughing at y'all. It's just like, oh my goodness. That's what happens when you talk too much. You suck in too much air. Bye.